Hey, what's up, Sam here. Today we are going to take a quick look at Eleglide T1 electric bike. Ever since Eleglide released its first electric scooter, the M1 and M1 Plus, it has gained lots of popularity among its users. And now they add a new member to its family. Is it good? Let's check it out. Right now, as you can see, we have some minor damages here on the box. That's because we just did some extreme durability for the box. I just hope it doesn't break the bike. Let's hope so. Another small box. That's it. All right, let's see what's in this small box. 2 pedals, some lights, a control panel, another one, and a tool. Okay. Yeah, and of course a manual in how many languages, battery charger, and cable. Okay, great. Let's get rid of the foam. These are what were included in the box. Let's assemble it. First, the handlebar. All right. All right, handlebar installed. Next, install the front wheel. And then that's it for this part, because it's quick release installment, so you have to make sure it's tight. You have to install really tightly, like here, steady tight. And now we install the front light and the front fender. Okay. That's it. Now the LCD display and others. There's a slot here. Make sure you align with this, and that's it. Alright, that's it. 3 things I really like. First is it's easy to assemble. It comes 90% pre-installed, so it really doesn't require you to do much work from your end. Second is the elegant design. You see the overall finish, the LCD display, and also the back seat. That's unique. I really need it. You know, I can take my daughter, my wife to go outside, have a picnic or something. That's really helpful. Third is the build quality. As you can see, we did some extreme tests on the packaging, but the back didn't get damaged. That's really great. Alright, so if you want to learn more about this bike, please stay tuned, because I'm going to do a really detailed review about it. Subscribe if you haven't. I'm Sammy, I will see you in the next one.
Okay.